Hi guys, it's Maria LoBalsamo, and today I wanted to talk to you about how the heck are they doing it? How are their people making money online, being successful? What is the secret? Well, the secret is just really focusing on three things, guys, okay? So on my screen, I have a post that I'm actually working on for Facebook. So want to quit your job or make money online or just want to have more options in life? How is it possible when many people trying to make money online fail? It's actually really simple. It really, really is. Most people online are doing way too much work and constantly struggling to see results. And it's true. They're putting in a lot of effort, but they're like spinning their wheels and they don't know why they're not getting anywhere. And it's like an endless long jog that just never ends. And the fact is they're really through this process selling themselves, following up with themselves, upselling themselves, but it's all not the right things to be doing. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to break this down. We need to find out what it is that needs to be done so that you can be successful with affiliate marketing. So the easiest way, guys, is you have to leverage a high converting system. You have to leverage a high converting system that's already streamlined, has all the processes in place, and does everything for you. This way, you focus primarily on result producing activities. Okay, so the system's going to kick in and do everything else. The only thing you're going to do is you're going to get eyeballs on your offer. Okay, so you don't have to create the product, you don't have to do email follow up, and you don't even have to have an autoresponder, which is savings in your pocket because that costs money every month. So it's not required. You can still have it if you want to, but it's not required because it's a plug and play system already in process for you, ready to go. You just get eyeballs on your offer. So here are the three steps to produce results, guys, in affiliate marketing. First thing is leveraging that high converting system, that high converting offer. Okay. And then the next thing is you are going to provide valuable content, create curiosity, and build know, like, and trust on the social media platform that fits for you, that you're good at. And then the third thing is you simply have to talk to people. And you can do this two ways. You can do it through content creation with a call to action at the end of your post that leads them to reach out to you if they choose to, or just conversations in Messenger. Okay? So now, the whole point of talking to people in Messenger is, it's not to be like spamming your link and just putting it out there and things like that. The goal really there and the strategy there really is to just find out what their pain point is and see if you have a solution. And if you have a solution that resolves their pain point, then you offer it to them if it feels right in that conversation and if it feels appropriate. So the conversation that's happening there should be all about that. Okay. Now, this is an example of a call to action. So this is my post, right? And then at the very end, where I have PS, I say, want to discover the exact system you can leverage that does it all for you on autopilot. Comment below or shoot me a message. That's the call to action right there. Those words right there are the call to action, okay? Now, here's the thing. If you don't feel like you're really good at writing content yet, that's okay, because writing content is um, a, a strategy or a learned skill that really takes time because there's a learning curve, quite frankly, with it. But there's a workaround for this because you can still move forward and still be successful while you're learning to write content. So, as you see on the screen, the note is if you don't have a ton of content, it's okay because there's a learning curve there, but your primary strategy in the meantime could be just talking with people in Messenger, reaching out. And when I say that, I don't mean reach out and, shoot your link to them or, just spam information to them. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about reaching out, creating that, a little bit of a relationship there and just work on building know, like, and trust, because no one's really going to want to hear about your offer, quite frankly, if they don't know, like, and trust you. So that's the first thing that needs to go on there. However, you do need to take each conversation individually as they come, because some people will say, can I have your link? Or what is it that you do? You just have to take them as they come and just go, like I said, what feels appropriate and what feels right, and how the timing all fits there for you. So don't let content creation stop you. You still can certainly be successful and make money while you're learning that skill. So just to recap on this, guys, the three things you want to focus on to be successful in affiliate marketing, they are right here. Leverage a high converting system. Number two, provide valuable content, create curiosity, build know, like, and trust. And number three, talk with people. Use your call to action at the end of your post and talk to people in Messenger. I will have below the high converting system that I use, that I love, that is my number one system, that I don't do anything with except get eyeballs on my offer. That's it. That's all I do. I don't create the product. I don't need to have an autoresponder. It's not required. You can, obviously, but it's not required. I don't write the emails. I don't have to create the emails. I don't have to send the emails out. David, the creator, does everything. So you're just getting eyeballs on your offer. And if you join my team, you will get the bonuses listed below. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, please do. Please subscribe below and hit the notification bell so that you know when new videos come out. And part of the training would be how to write copy and content. There's some training there that would be provided to get you going in that direction of learning content, if that is something that you need. So I hope this helps, guys. Remember just to focus on these three things to, for affiliate marketing to produce results and have success. And if you have any questions, my social links are below too. You can always reach out to me via email or on Facebook Messenger, and I'd be happy to help you. I hope you have a great day, guys.